Alright, so this is the professional kit that we sell, and this is for rupees 450. So today I am going to demonstrate कि कैसे use करना है professional kit को dark circles के लिए. And if you can see, I have no makeup over here, just to give you a demo. This reminds me that dark circles की एक और वजह भी है, that is continuous use of a computer or a mobile phone. अब आप बोलोगे मैं तो भाई यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, पर टीवी तो देखते होंगे. So yes, TV is again one more source where your eyes get strained, and that is why the dark circles appear. Now since it's lockdown और मेरे पास bottles की shortage है, I am not going to open this packet. I will directly use जो मैं bulk बनाती हूँ उसमें से. So the first step is the gold infused pack. आपको ये लगाना है. अब बहुत सारे अगर आप ब्रांड्स देखोगे तो वो लोग ये बोलते हैं that do not use under your eyes or around your eyes naturally because it has chemicals. Sana says you can use all the products under your eyes, over your eyes, you can use it. Just make sure कि आप अपनी आँखों में नहीं डालो कोई प्रोडक्ट. तो ये आपको लगा के बस 10 मिनट इसको छोड़ना है अभी. After 10 minutes I'll come back and I will show you the another step. Okay, so back to where I was sitting so that I can give you a natural light and you can understand the difference then. मैं एक ही आँख पे करके दिखा रही हूँ कि कैसे यूज़ करना है and the difference. Remember, this is the first use difference that I am showing you. Dark circles need to be treated slowly and you need to have patience क्योंकि इतनी दिन लगे हैं डैमेज करने के लिए, तो थोड़े दिन उसको ट्रीट करने के लिए भी दे दो. Another thing, while I was just while the pack was just drying, मैंने और एक चीज़ आपको बताना मैं चाहूँगी कि अगर जैसे मैंने बताया कि adequate sleep या डिहाइड्रेशन, अगर आप पानी भी पी रहे हो, अगर आप सो भी रहे हो, everything is just normal, you are eating and not anemic, if still the dark circles is there, then it's a concern. It's very necessary for you to show to a doctor or a dermat. So please do that. Now if you are a thyroid patient, again you will see dark circles and the treatment is, कोई भी cream या कोई medicine खाने से वो dark circles नहीं जाएंगे. So again one more thing, you need to understand that if you have any kind of deficiency या आपका कोई भी reason है जिसमें मैंने बताया जो भी पहले, now this can be treated only if you have acquired. अगर आपका कोई और रीज़न, हेल्थ रीज़न है डार्क सर्कल्स के पीछे, तो वो ट्रीटमेंट भी इतना काम नहीं करेगा. सो येस, आई एम सेइंग दिस ऑन द वीडियो. इट्स नॉट दैट आई जस्ट वांट टू सेल समथिंग. आई वांट यू टू नो कि ऐसा भी होता है. सो अगर आपको कोई बोलता है कि नहीं आप ये ट्रीटमेंट लो, आप वो ट्रीटमेंट लो, नो, प्लीज़ डू नॉट डू दैट. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप विच इज़ द स्क्रब. ये मैंने स्क्रब लिया, पानी में हल्का हाथ मैंने डुबाया है. अब जस्ट डिप माई फिंगर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्क्रब 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 scrub it for a good 1 minute and then I'll come back. Okay, so it's been like a half a minute that I have scrubbed and now I will remove this. You can go ahead and wash it, but since I am doing a video, I will do it in front of you. I'll be wiping it with a napkin. So yes, I have wiped it now and here, just dab. Okay, now once this is done, make sure that you keep your under eye moisturized. It's very necessary. So this is the Helo gel that I'm going to use to moisturize under eye. Another very important tip, if you have dark circles or puffy eyes, you make sure that you use a very mild face cleanser or a moisturizer. Well, मैंने यहाँ पे नहीं किया है, पर फिर भी मैं मॉइस्चराइज कर देती हूँ. सो मेकअप रिमूवर भी आप जो भी यूज़ करते हो, whatever makeup remover that you are using needs to be very mild. So that is why please choose a product a cleanser which is mild and do not have any chemicals. Sanaz Herbs and Nature has milk cleanser and a lemon cleanser according to your skin type. So do opt for that. And this is done. So here, if you can see, this is the first use result. Look at this. This is the first use result. Now mine is a hereditary one because my nanny, my mama has them, so it's passed on to me. But I have been using this professional kit very regularly and the Helo gel, and trust me, it has made difference. People who know me personally know how much dark circles I had, and post pregnancy I am 24 hours on the mobile because of my business. So yes, they can be treated, at least वो light हो जाएंगे, fade हो जाएंगे, if not completely gone. Do use the product and let me know. Thank you for staying tuned.